Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got something super exciting to unbox, the brand new DJI Osmo Pocket 3. This little gadget has been making waves, and I can't wait to see what's inside the box. Let's dive right in. As you can see, the packaging is sleek and minimal, with some key features highlighted on the front, like the upgraded gimbal, 4K video recording, and a larger touchscreen. Now, let's see what else comes in the box. We've got the usual documentation, a quick start guide, and warranty information. DJI always makes it easy to get started. The design is clean and modern, and it feels premium in hand. DJI's build quality has always been top-notch, and this one doesn't disappoint. Take a quick glance through the following photos to familiarize yourself with Osmo Pocket 3. It is recommended to use DJI 65W portable charger, 30W USB-C charger, or a USB-C charger that supports PD fast charging protocol. When charging Osmo Pocket 3 with the Type-C to Type-C PD cable provided in the combo, the camera screen will display the current battery level when the camera is off. The camera takes approximately 16 minutes to charge up to 80% state of charge and around 32 minutes to fully charged. Here's the tripod mount, the USB-C charging cable, and a lanyard. The tripod mount is a great addition for stable shots and hands-free use. Osmo Pocket 3 requires activation through the DJI Mimo app. Connecting Osmo Pocket 3 to a mobile phone for activation. First, rotate the screen to activate the camera. Enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on the mobile device. After launching the DJI Mimo app, tap on the camera icon on the home page to connect the camera. Follow the on-screen instructions for further steps. My first impressions? It's incredibly portable and lightweight, perfect for on-the-go vlogging, traveling, or even professional content creation. You've reached this part of the video. It would mean so much if you could give it a thumbs up. One of the standout features here is the larger touchscreen. It's way more responsive than previous versions. And you've got your standard gimbal controls to get smooth, cinematic shots. You can power on Osmo Pocket 3 by rotating the touchscreen clockwise or by pressing the shutter button. To power off the camera, press and hold the shutter button, or enable the rotate screen to power off function in the system settings. I'm just turning it on now. It powers up really quickly, and the interface looks super intuitive. So that's pretty much the unboxing of the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. If you're thinking about picking one up, be sure to check out the links in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye-bye.